Greetings, doctor. So, in this video, I will be doing a presentation about the mini project drawing from our group B. The team members in our group are IZZATUL, SUEN, AZRI, ALIA, SYAMIMI, and myself, Sarvesh. So, we have decided and we have discussed and separated the works in this presentation. IZZATUL and SUEN took care of the bill of quantity and takeoff list form. Azri and Alia took care of the report, Shamimi took care of the AutoCAD drawing, and I took care of the visual presentation. Okay, so we are from Bridgelia Construction Holding. This is the tender bidding proposal presentation from our company. So it's just a quick intro for the content. There'll be introduction, methodology, list of components, the activities and works that take place, results and calculation, which is the bill of quantity and the bill of quantity in this project, and and a short conclusion. Okay, introduction. So why is this presentation is take place in? Because it's for the bidding process of the tender of the project of developing a new office space for university from Ministry of Higher Education. A quick intro of our company, which is Bridaya Construction Holding. The contractor of this project will be us as well, and the investors will be the Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia if everything is okay and our bidding of this tender is approved. So the description of this project is to develop a new office space for the university. In this presentation, I'll be showing you all the documentation for the superstructure works in this project, estimating the cost of critical substructure components as well, and providing the in-depth takeoff list and bill of quantities in this project. The second one, methodology. So the methodology, there are four methodologies that we have took place in this project. The first one will be the preliminary assessment. There will be document review and stakeholder consultation for us to have a better relationship with the stakeholders, which in this case, it is the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia. The second will be superstructure bill of quantities. The superstructure elements identification, measurement taking off, material cost estimation, labor and equipment cost estimation, and contingency allowance as well. So all of this will be included in our report very detailedly, as well as the substructure bill of quantities. The report will be sent later with this video as well. Uh, the last method will be the integration and finalization, which includes the consolidation of bill of quantities, the cost summary, and quality assurance. Consolidation of bill of quantities also means as that if there's any dissatisfaction of this bill of quantities, we can talk and discuss and solve the problem about it, and we can mend our relationship as better as well. So this methodology are taken in care for us to gain the trust from this Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia, which is also known as the stakeholders, to have a better relationship when we are doing this project. So the next one will be the floor plan of our project that we have discussed and we have prepared for you all. So this in this particular slide, is what showing the beam floor plan. The second one will be the electrical floor plan, and the third one will be the furniture floor plan. So if we see the beam floor plan, there is a certain amount of room for the living room, or also can be said as the leisure room, the main office, and there's four small offices for the assistants. There's one kitchen room and there's one toilet as well. So the electrical appliance will be situated in this projected manner, and the furnitures as well in this manner. So the leisure room, the pantry or the kitchen room, the toilet, four small offices, and the main office here. So the next will be the list of components that included in this project. There are structure component and there are substructure components. These structure components are components that transfer the loads safely to the other members without failure of damage. Substructure component actually are the components that supporting part of the structure building and also transfers the load from the superstructure to the ground. So both of them are important as well in this project, in this construction. So we have listed down it here. So the next one will be the activities and the works will take place in this construction. The piling work construction, the reinforced in situ concrete, and then the precast reinforced concrete. So there are three works will be taken place in this construction aspect. So let's go for the first one, the piling work construction. So the piling work construction, there are three types, which are high not exceeding 1000 millimeter, high exceeding 1000 millimeter, and and column stumps with high of 100 millimeter. So these are the example of the calculation that we have taken place. The slip sort form has been included in the report as well. So it can take place if you want detailed information or a detailed manner. So these are the example. This is for the high not exceeding 1000 millimeter, the high exceeding 1000 millimeter, and the column stumps as well. So to give a detailed info about the amount that going to cost. So for the high not exceeding 1000 millimeter, there is a 22,562 ringgit in total. For high exceeding 1000 millimeter will be 11,215, and column sums will be 738 ringgit. So the total for piling work construction will be 34,516.79 cents. Yeah. So next one will be the reinforced in situ concrete. So as the same as well with high not exceeding 1000 millimeter, high exceeding 1000 millimeter, column stumps with 1000 millimeter, and grade 15 lean concrete. So these are the example of the calculation as well. So the detailed one is here. So for the high not exceeding 1000 millimeter reinforced concrete, it costs that amount of 28,743 ringgit. High exceeding 1000 millimeter is 11,732. For the column stumps, 312, and the lean concrete grade 15 will be 1000. So for total in is 41,788. Sorry. So the precast reinforced concrete will have two, which are complete with head and shoes of supplying precast reinforced concrete and driven depth as well. So the calculation example is here. So the total amount cost here is for the supply reinforced concrete grade 30 piles complete with head and shoe 326,000. For driven depth is 64,800 ringgit, and total will be 390,800 ringgit. So the total for the construction amount is 467,104 ringgit 99 cents. So total bidding amount will be 500,000. So these are the taking off lease form, and also the amount that will be costing for the bidding amount will be costing for the site clearance part, and also with included with the construction part as well. So the total amount will be 762,203 ringgit. So in conclusion, we Berjaya Construction Holding is honored to be in part of this prestigious tender process of this reputational project. So, in a recap, we have given the superstructure layout of the plan, taking off lease, and the bill of quantities that will be included in this project and will be needed for your references as well. So, we are happy to creating a modern and sustainable university facility that stands as a symbol of Malaysia's dedication to educational priority and advancement. So, last but not least, thank you very much for your time. So you can contact us via our telephone number, via our email, our website, and also there's our company address has been given here. So you can contact us by these four methods, and we hope to get a good response from you all. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much, Doctor. So this is our presentation from the group B. Um, Thank you very much. And we are also thanking all the doctors have been teaching us in in the drawing subject. So thank you for your knowledge that we have used it today for in this presentation and as well in our future. We are very gratitude and we are very humbled. Thank you very much.